Well, hi there, I'm Brent Hale, and today I'm in downtown Rogers where a lot of exciting things are happening. One of those exciting things is this beautiful little boutique kitchen store, Honeycomb Kitchen Shop, where they're featuring local artisans, local classes, and some of the best kitchen gadgets you'll ever find. Let's go in and check it out. All right, so I'm in the demo kitchen here with Melissa at Honeycomb Kitchen, and they do some great classes here, and she's gonna school me a little bit on what we've got that we've picked out. Some really cool tools that you've got here in the shop.
So it's an apple slicer core peeler.
Anything you need to do with an apple, it's gonna take care of it.
We're gonna start, first you wanna get it a good grip onto your surface. You lock it on there. So you're gonna pull this guy back.
Stem side goes in there.
Yeah, stick it in there.
And just stick it in there.
Right.
It's pretty easy.
And then give it a crank.
And then just go to town.
And it's gonna start coring
The
it.
apple has fun, it goes for a spin.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Just take it right through there. There you go.
Fantastic. So then it pulls that core right out the bottom there. And then you get this really cool little apple rings.
Yeah. And you can actually change the different settings. So if you don't want to peel it, you can do one or all of the different settings. So it's really versatile.
It's incredibly important to have a good working knife in your kitchen. And I get asked all the time, what's the best knife? I tell them to find that knife that feels right to them. If it doesn't feel good in your hand, you're not going to want to use it. What kind of knives do y'all sell?
We do believe in a good quality knife. We did go with the Hinkle Pro Series, which is very ergonomic. It's going to last you for a very long time.
You guys have a lot of great cutting boards in here from some really awesome local Arkansas artisans.
We sure do.
And so you sell all three of these, as well as many variations by the same artist right here in the store.
Right, right. So it gives us a chance to work with people in the community and in Arkansas to support them, and we're able to help them out that way. So
yeah, it gives them a voice and a presence, like you're saying, in front of the local consumer that may not even know they exist.
Absolutely.
In fact, you've got the whole front section of your store is pretty much donated to the local makers of our community. And this whole section here is local stuff made right here in Arkansas.
So this is made by a friend of ours that shops here regularly, but it's hot pepper jelly, and it's one of our top sellers. People come in here looking for it specifically. We've got some House of Webster, which is just like a mile up the road, so we had to support, our neighbors. And then of course, we were one of the first people in Northwest Arkansas to start carrying the rice bran oil from Riceland.
Okay.
So.
If it's local and it belongs in the kitchen shop, you guys are bringing it in and making sure that those folks are getting the spotlight. Well, I appreciate you having us out.
Yeah.
And I'll tell you what, if you've not checked out Honeycomb Kitchen Shop here in downtown Rogers, you need to come check it out. If you're looking for something for your kitchen, a gift, anything to that effect, this is where you want to come. Lots of opportunities right here in this beautiful little kitchen shop.